Would you consider yourself happy?
Well, I guess that depends on your definition of happiness.
Do you use ChatGPT?
That's a fairly dumb question. I'm a cat. I use ChatGPT for all my burning questions.
This is a nice, crinkly bag.
You use ChatGPT as a therapist?
Yeah, and I think I overshare sometimes. Got to be more careful, data privacy and all.
Ma'am, does your bear have his ID papers?
This is my emotional support bear. Please leave us alone.
Oh my God, there is an elephant walking around here. An elephant!
Ever notice how you never see baby pigeons anywhere? Like, where are they?
Stop filming immediately.
Where are we running, actually?
Good question.
You know, it feels so weird to be half domesticated. I don't even know how to hunt.
Take your time. Precision is peace.
Morning, Kevin.
Humans are so funny. They cling to their glowing rectangles like they're life rafts, all that.
Now that the cat is out of the bag, we'll all need plausible deniability.
People think we're after the cheese, but it's never about the cheese. It's about survival. It's about silence.
AI could make your life so much better. Ma'am, cows are not permitted in here. I'm gonna have to ask you to leave. I just wanted to check where my milk ends up at.